What about lithium lead-acid batteries? We use it a lot. Like in the car. Lithium lead-acid batteries are indispensable for current electric vehicles. Did you notice? What about the lithium lead oxide batteries we use now? Its lifespan is generally very short. What about the battery on the electric car? Some less than 2 years, some don't even work for a year. There's one piece in it that doesn't work. Batteries are more than 100 years old. Logically speaking, its production process or quality should be getting higher and higher. It stands to reason. What about the battery we made today? It can be used in electric vehicles for at least 4 years. However, it can often reach 4 years. What do you think is the reason? Is our technology getting worse? And here it is. In fact, we can completely make our own damaged batteries. But what about when we turn on the bad battery? You will find that the positive version is rotten, but the negative version is still intact. What if we want to make our own batteries? Keep the negative version first. No need to move the auxiliary board. Just take the positive electrode out. Smash all the positive reddish-brown particles into pieces. Then put it in the pot and fry. Fry until it's completely turned so far as light yellow powder. The light yellow powder is a mixture of lead oxide and lead dioxide. This mixture we can reuse. Add water or dilute sulfuric acid to the mixture. And here you have cement added. It is said to be to strengthen a few plates. Increase the strength of several plates. Cement is a mixture. There are more elements in it. What about after adding this thing? Will the self-discharge current of the battery become larger? Okay, here's the positive version. Cavity height has solidified. After drying, the battery can be installed. It's a shelf. The positive electrode and the negative electrode must be cut far away. As for the negative electrode, you can use the machine board that has just been removed. Because the negative plate is not damaged. Well, insert these two boards into the battery. Pour in the fine sulfuric acid. How about this? It can be made into a battery. Let's look at the current voltage. Exactly 2.0 volts. When charging. When it is charged to near saturation, a large number of bubbles will also be generated. Let's take a look at the stirring, and the voltage is gone. Put it in sulfuric acid. 2.0 volts again. Because it's a battery. What about a unit? His voltage is 2. So if you wear this light bulb, the filament turns red. If we go back to the 1980s and 1990s, in many rural areas there are frequent power outages. How about making a battery like this? It's very useful.